This is a complex circuit. We're going to convert it to a simple circuit by dividing it 5 different circuits. Circuit 1, circuit 2, circuit 3, circuit 4, circuit 5. This circuit has 6 resistors, 10 ohms, 15 ohms, 2 ohms, 6 ohms, 3 ohms and 5 ohms. We have to use the Ohm's law to add 15 ohms and 2 ohms, which is 17 ohms. Circuit number 2. Here we have to add 3 ohms with 5 ohms. Again, using Ohm's law, the relationship is reciprocal, so we're going to get 1.88 ohms. Circuit number 3, we're going to add 6 ohms plus 1.88 ohms by Ohm's law, which is 7.88 ohms. Now we have to create circuit number 4. Here we have to add 17 ohms and 7.88 ohms by again using the Ohm's law. The relationship is reciprocal, so we get 5.38. Now finally, circuit number 5, we're going to have to add 10 ohms plus 5.38 ohms. The relationship is series, but we have to use the Ohm's law and we get 15.38 ohms. Now we have to go back starting from circuit 5 to all the way circuit 1 to get everything, voltage, current and resistance. So circuit number 5, what is the current? 1.30 by Ohm's law. Now let's go back to circuit number 4. Now we have to find the current here. The current is same in the series circuit, so the current will remain same. But there will be voltage drop, so we're going to find out the voltage drop. Now here you see that the current is same, 1.30 amps in the entire circuit, but voltage drop is voltage 1 is 13 voltage and voltage 2 would be 7. 13 plus 7 is 20. Total voltage 20. Now let's go back to circuit number 3. Now circuit number 3, as you see that now we have to find the voltage. Now this is the parallel circuit, so the voltage would be same, 7 voltage and 7 voltage. However, the current would not be same. Let's find the current by Ohm's law. Now the current in the 17 ohms is 0.41 and the current in 7.88 ohms is 0.89. If you add them up, you will get 1.30. All right, now let's go back to circuit number 2. We're almost there. In the circuit number 2, what are we going to do? We have to divide it in 2 parts because we are going backward, and now we have to find the here current would be same but voltage drops. The current would be same because it's series. There would be voltage drop. In the 6 ohms one, voltage would be 5.33, and in the 1.881 voltage would be 1.67. Now finally we're going to go back to number 1, part 1, because number 1 has 2 parts. Part 1, you're going to have to do the parallel one. Parallel one, voltage would be same, current would be different. The voltage would be 1.67 and 1.67, but the current would be different. So let's use the Ohm's law to find the current. The current in 1.67 one is 0.56 and current in 5 ohms is 0.33. If you add them up, you get the same current. Now let's go back to, this is the final. Let's go back to the one that is in series relationship. Now here current would be same because it's in series relationship. So what is the current over here? There would be voltage drop, so let's find the voltage drop first. Voltage in 15 ohms would be 6.17 and voltage in 2 ohms would be 0.82. Now let's find the current. Current would be same over here because it's in series relationship.